ready to explode the view count and engagement of your YouTube Shorts. Let's dive into creating a powerful Google Ads campaign specifically tailored for YouTube Shorts, starting by clicking the New Campaign button. For Shorts, brand awareness and reach is your best objective, especially when starting. Select the one you wish to use. Now pick video as your campaign type. This ensures your ad is formatted correctly for YouTube's visual format. Choose reach viewers on YouTube and get efficient reach to optimize for maximum exposure within your budget. Set your daily budget, keeping in mind that YouTube Shorts ads tend to be cost-effective. Then, specify your campaign start and end dates. Target the right audience. Use demographics, interests, and keywords relevant to your Shorts content. Think about who you're trying to reach. Select in-feed video ads. As your ad format, it displays your short directly in the YouTube Shorts feed. Upload the short you want to promote and craft a compelling headline and description. Make it catchy and click-worthy. Use a maximum CPV or cost per view that is low at first. Then, monitor your campaign performance daily and adjust your bid as needed. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks perfect, and then hit Create Campaign, and that's it. Keep a close eye on your campaign's performance, tweaking targeting and bids to maximize those views and engagement. Remember to experiment and have fun.